today I'm going to be playing Armored Gunfight, because why not? I mean, we've tried Gunfight Blueprints, Havoc, so why not Armored Gunfight? So, yeah, I hope you guys liked the last video, yeah. And as always, make sure to comment down below what game I should play next. I'm always open for suggestions. I'll download it, play it while recording, of course, and then I'll delete it, because that's what you do with games. So, yeah. Okay, so we're about to get into a game. I'm actually really excited. I think I've only played Armored Gunfight once, so I have not played it a lot at all.
Gunfight.
You know, I might have played it. No, I might have played Armored Gunfight. Did I make it? No, it's not the same. Yeah, because I played Havoc and Gunfight Blueprints. It's really close though.
No quarter given.
Can't move there. Oh jeez.
We lost that round. Ready up for the next one.
Well, that was quick. I actually turned around to do something. Okay. Let me go around here.
You're all that's left. Finish it.
Ow. Dang it.
We took a loss there. Let's not repeat it.
It scared me because it set up like how all that's left because I was. So I kind of panicked.
Secure the area. Clear all threats.
Ah! Okay, he's over there. Never mind.
We lost that round. Ready up for the
Probably
next
not
one.
rush this time. My BBs. My airsoft BBs. They're falling over. Okay. This seems like a good gun.
It's down to you, mate. Finish the mission.
Come on, buddy. Got him. Ah, no, I was trying to reload.
Took a
Dang
loss
it.
there. Let's not repeat it.
I probably should have reloaded. Whatever.
Eliminate all threats from the area.
And I got a shotgun. With the pretty princess gun. We can use the pretty princess gun. C4, yes! No! He's not dead. I'm gonna use the shotgun. No! Oh my goodness. Okay, my teammate can do it. My teammate can do it. He threw the C4. I said the pretty princess gun was on my chest. Dang, okay, apparently
You
my
guys are a
teammate-
bunch of pussies for using shotguns. And my teammate was at 2 HP and you guys still lost. That's sad.
Switch inside.
He's talking smack. That's okay though. You know, I'm not gonna mute him. It'll be funny. I want to hear him say more things. Say more mean things, sir. I don't know who it was. It was either you or your teammate. Ow. Ow. I knew there was C4 there.
Mission failed. Return to base.
Come on, talk more smack. It's entertaining. Come on. can't hear me, by the way. I don't care what we do, so I'll just say play again. I'm gonna leave him my brother's yelling. Anyways, I'm gonna leave them unmuted. Kind of losing my voice.
Right.
Alright, so okay, our pistols and a pistol. Or our fists and a pistol. I think I said that backwards the first time or something, I don't know. Hello, sir.
All Strasser, eliminate the enemy or secure the flag to win.
That is why I came up here.
Victory secure. Be ready to win again.
That was a good round. Good first round. I hit him in the back. Okay, so already? Oh, already. They both had that time.
Lost that round. Get ready
Okay, it's
for the
1-1
next one.
though. We're tied.
Why the fuck are you guys just holding each other's dicks?
Strasser,
Hey yo!
Jesus Christ, they're right next to each
yo!
other.
you've won that round. Get ready for the next one.
That was funny. What he said was pretty funny. Dang, it didn't go off. I mean, it probably did. I don't know what it did. Oh, I think I threw it to the side of him. Another good one. Not because we won, it's just fun.
All Strasser, eliminate the enemy or secure the flag to win.
Two v1. Oh. Wow, okay, apparently he knew where he was. I had no clue. My teammate's just carrying me, which is nice, because I suck at the game. Okay. So, we doing stairs? You're not doing stairs. You're dying. Match point. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. They're just forfeiting, dang. we won.
Victory secure. Good fighting.
They decided to forfeit. That was a good one, I guess. It was pretty funny, what that one guy said. So, my teammate. That was pretty funny. All right. So, right there,
Secure the
and right
area.
there.
Clear all threats.
Let's do it. We're not coming around here. Guess not. What's going on in the background for that guy? I had to mute my teammate because he was like shouting stupid things. So, not so friendly things. Really not so friendly things. Okay, well now I'm dead.
We took a loss there. Let's not repeat it. Eliminate all threats from the area.
Shotgun and a pistol. A pistol is a Glock. I think it looks like one. Yeah, okay, that's a Glock. Aw, dang. I thought I might be able to, like, hit
We
him
lost
once
that
at
round.
least.
Ready up for the next one.
It's okay, they've got 2, we've got 1, so we can still win. Just my teammate was all alone because of me. I kinda died. I was kinda dead at the time. Nah, I'm no longer dead. I came back from the dead, as Ghost does. Dang, I can't even kill him with a shotgun. Like, oh, no.
We took a loss there. Let's not repeat it.
That's okay though. These rounds go pretty quick.
Secure the AO. No quarter given.
Fist in our fists, a throwing knife. Ah, Jesus, sneezed. Of course you could hear me. I don't know why I sneezed,
You're all that's left.
but whatever.
Finish
Oh
it.
no. Ah!
We lost that round.
I don't think there was
Ready up for
anything
the
I could
next
have
one.
done there. Okay. Next round. Dang.
We took a loss there.
I guess I just
Let's not
can't
repeat
shoot
it.
quick enough. Unless you shot me in the face. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Shot me in the shoulder. Whatever. Oh. Ah, oh, I thought that was my teammate. I don't think I have a teammate
Mission
anymore.
compromised. We've been defeated.
My teammate probably left in some sort of rage. Yeah, I don't have a teammate anymore. Anyways. Alright. So we've got snipers and a pistol. A sniper loadout, basically. That's got a hybrid sight.
Strasser
hard-
1,
okay.
secure the platform. Clear all threats in
Yeah.
the AO.
Definitely snipers. I mean, what else? You know. Ooh, okay. Didn't know we were doing that. Okay. Waiting for me to come around the corner. He was waiting for me to peek. Which I did. I think I just That was... Wow, big boom. Yay, okay.
Secure. Be ready to win again.
I don't know why I jumped. What happened?
Strasser 1.
On the
Clear
wall?
all threats
Oh,
or secure
crossbows
the
this
flag
time.
to win.
Oh no. Got him.
The enemy is securing the flag.
No, that quickly? They can get the flag that quickly? How? By just sitting there? Or what? Oh, it didn't show me. Okay, so... Jeez, I didn't know we had these. Yeah,
You
okay.
lost that round. Get ready for the next
That
one.
is okay. Well, did my teammate leave again? My teammate might have left.
Strasser 1. Secure the flag or clear all threats
Nope.
in the AO.
Still have a teammate. Okay, so this and this. Ah!
You've won that round. Get ready for the
Sweet.
next one.
Okay. We can still try to get 2 to 3. The recoil.
The round is lost. Focus on the next one.
I forgot recoil kind of exists. Okay. Not bad. Ow. Ow. Where was everything coming from? I need to see. Oh, I guess I
Lost that
can't
round.
see.
Get ready for the next one.
Okay, so next round is match point. We'll see who wins. Or,
Switching sides.
we'll see who wins. We might make a comeback. Take a miracle though. Got him.
Victory secure. Be ready to win again.
Okay, yeah, we might catch up. It's possible. It's very possible. Wait a minute. Ah. Oh wow, it's very possible that we might catch up. My Claymore got him! I think. I'm pretty sure that was mine. That's cool. I'm pretty sure that was my Claymore. Okay. Claymore. Dang. Okay. If they win this, they win it all. So. Okay, it's a 1v1.
The enemy's taking the flag.
Oh, it's really quick to take the flag. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, make sure to comment down below what gamers should play next. I'm always open for suggestions, like I said at the start. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.